Mr. Pareto, can we have you up here? Okay, the reason there is silence because we are going to do something very exciting. You want to tell you what it is? Okay, the husband of the president is going to present a small bouquet to our guest of honor, Clayton Barreto. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's hear a big round of applause. Okay, if everybody is silent here now, just for a few minutes. Here we go. Madam President Elaine.
Thanks, Madam President. Evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for coming here today. Before I start off with my not so boring speech, I'd like to start off with sport runs. And this goes out to, because as Amin said before, women's committee. This goes out to all.
But then he's a goal, so his speeches could be shorter, but if you balance both of them, I'm sure it will be half an hour, 45 minutes. So here you go, Clayton.
Thank you. I'll make sure that I don't take it too long. First of all, I would like to thank Elaine and Joe for inviting me here as a guest of honor today. I would like to thank the committee members for inviting me as well. I think what I see in this organization is it started 49 years back. Goes down the legacy of so many things they have done and organized. And I think since it's your 49th year, we're looking forward to it. For me, Colva has been very personal and very close to my heart. As a child, all my school breaks I used to be in Colva because my mom is from Senapati in Colva. I think some of you all know where Senapati in Colva. So as a child, for my school breaks I used to go there. I've been for the farm, the church farm, and the long queues for veneration of the infant. After that, obviously, like everyone's house, we have a feast. My grandmother organized some Sarpatel and Kabidel and all the Shakuti, and along with some music and all. That is what we were brought up with. I've been born in Goa, brought up in Goa. And now that I'm come to UK, I feel so happy and proud that now our actual goals keep the legacy on in the UK. A few things to say is they say a Goan can be taken overseas, but a Goanness in him can never be taken. I don't want to bore you all with my long speech, I'll keep it short, but I wish that this organization goes on for 50, 60, and definitely the 100 years. And once again, I would like to thank the organizers who are organizing this, the band who is going to be entertaining us, and hopefully see all of you on the floor. I take this opportunity also to welcome Father Renato to the UK. I met him just last week, and he's been Monday met him, and I welcome him on behalf of all of us to the UK. Can I have a clap for him? Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you, Clayton. I must also say, as Goans, we should be very proud because to have somebody at the Indian High Commission who's given this position of the Social and Cultural Secretary to the Indian High Commission, I think it's fantastic. It's a great honor for all of us. Thank you, Clayton. Let's give up a hand. And Father Renato, once again, welcome. It's fantastic to see you in the UK, and I'm sure the more you go across, you probably you'll be back here next year for something. Okay, the next and the last but not the least.
See people rocking, hear people jumping, hot, hot, hot. Keep up the spirit, come on, let's do it, feeling hot, hot, hot. It's in the air, celebration your mind. We have a party song, a fun jam. Shake-a-boom-boom-boom-boom. Shake-a-boom-boom-boom-boom. I'm feeling hot, hot, hot. Feeling hot, hot, hot. Okay, say after me. Okay, everybody. How you feeling? 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 How you feeling?